Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into your Usatv account so you can change credentials immediately. Make sure you have your current password and access to the recovery email or phone. This prevents lockout during verification. Once signed in, go straight to Account or Profile, then Security or Password Settings. If prompted, complete a short re-authentication step. This confirms it's you and allows the change. Do this now so you can proceed without interruptions. Now you're at the password form. Enter your current password first to unlock the change fields. Next, create a new password using at least 12 characters and a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. This makes it resistant to guessing and brute force. Type the new password twice exactly to confirm. If available, enable two-factor authentication now to link the change with a second verification step, which greatly improves account security once done. Finish by saving the change and checking for a confirmation email or SMS. This verifies the update. Make sure to sign out of other devices or terminate active sessions to prevent anyone else using old credentials. Then test logging in with the new password to confirm success. If something goes wrong, use the password recovery flow via your recovery email or phone. If that fails, contact Usatv support and provide verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.